Actually, this is how it looks from the outside. Building, the parking lot is they have an ample and very spacious parking lot. So this actually a beautiful escape here in Naivasha. This one over here is a one-bedroom Airbnb here in Rehema Homes, Naivasha. Beautifully designed because the first thing that captures your heart when you get into this room is this amazing and beautiful living room. As you can see, this room is so spacious. I want to give you some few minutes to enjoy and have amazing views of how this beautiful room is designed. Amenities. The first amenity we have here is this strong Wi-Fi there. For this other side, flashy leather semi-reclinable seats. Check how soft, comfortable they look. Pande moja hapa amazing ya kitchen. This kitchen is fully equipped, thoughtfully designed for both quick meals and cozy home style. Unataka kupikiwa ama unataka kujipikia? We have a menu if you want food from outside. The number is over here. Some meals very affordable here, from the main courses, liver, kuku, the snacks to do with mandazi. You see, chicken. Let me share with you the prices and how cheap these guys are. Their number is at the back of this menu over here. So ukitaka kujipikia, utajipikia. Ukitaka kupikiwa, utapikiwa, because our kitchen is fully equipped. You can see everything you need for the kitchen. Like me, nimetoka kuamka saizi, have makafi, vitu zote ziko area. Unaona? My friend, unasema kuishi, unakosea. Actually guys, the reason I'm too worried, Naivasha is sometimes considered as one of the best places for vacations, for holidays, is accommodation. Why? Most Airbnb hosts wamejua kwamba Naivasha ni a perfect location for setting up cozy Airbnbs. Actually guys, this building here is a newly built building, as you can see. Let me take you through.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day.
It's the building is very
People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name.
So I want to show you how to access this building. Over there where you see the motorbikes, let me zoom. That is Kenyatta Avenue, guys. So Kenyatta Avenue heads to Naivasha town, and from Naivasha town to this place, it's a 5 minutes walk, because I was also going to town by foot to pick some foods and stuff during the time I've been spending here. So it's very accessible. That's one very important factor here. It's a very modern building, as you can see. You actually have some very beautiful and panoramic views from the other side. You can see a very cool forest. But as you can see over there, that is Lake Naivasha. Lake Naivasha is some few kilometers. I don't even think that will take you more than 10 minutes on a motorbike to get there. It's very close to Lake Naivasha. You can check the views from this end. So let's go back to our room. Actually, I love this space. I love this space in that there's no noise. When you book with them, actually, my host is a very understanding host. So this is his number here. Whenever you want to book a space with him, these places are so beautiful, as you can see, and it's well designed for a family, a single couples, and all that.
Savannah, we'll never be alone, Savannah.
main room. Actually, I don't want to show you much. Actually, this is a one-bedroom Airbnb here in Naivasha. Price ni negotiable. Price ni kwa kwa namba yake ukishampigia. I think let's say your small items like mine here. I just carried my camera, my power banks, and all sorts. That was my my storage area. The bed, now the bed itself, my friend. I'm coming there. Let me take you through the michezo ya mama Mina hapa. Very strong and spring doctor mattress. So let me take you to the balcony just to share with you the amazing views of this one bedroom Airbnb here in Naivasha. Right? Oh, a beautiful morning, Beautiful morning. Want to chill from this end. Over there is Kenyatta Avenue. Over there is Kenyatta Avenue that takes you back to Naivasha town. Naivasha town is just 5 minutes walk from here. So in case you came to Naivasha late, this cab, and if you're driving, it's a 2 minutes drive to Rehema. So I'm going to the next room. But before you go to the next room, let me show you at the balcony from the living room. So let's go, man. Let's go to the other balcony. I'll actually show you this room during the night because I will spend
The lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People beautiful feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Yeah.
As you can see, this
Birds chirping and I hear my name. Grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make
the views of the lake. The views of the lake. I'll show you the lake from the other side of the building. This is how you enjoy. I'm going to take you to the other room because this host has 2 units here in Hema Homes. So let me take you to the other room so that you can compare whenever you're here, right? So let's go.